Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my outfit of the day, starting with this wig I had on yesterday. I looked it up in my wig playlist, and this is the Sensationnel instant weave called England, and they no longer sell it on Amazon. I think that's where I got it from. And I've had this wig for about 8 years. And I like it. Okay, anyway, I have on this top I used to wear to church. Different shades of turquoise and aqua, blues and greens. I just paired it with some gray wide leg yoga pants. Okay, let me get my pose on. Okay. Get back some. Okay, I'm getting ready to get in the kitchen and cook something in my crock pot. So I'll bring y'all along with me. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.